The Dogon Star Mystery. In the arid cliffs of Mali, West Africa, lives the Dogon people, farmers, astronomers, and storytellers whose traditions stretch back thousands of years. Long before modern science ever peered through a telescope to study the heavens, the Dogon told stories of a bright star called Sirius, and of a second, invisible companion star that moved around it in a precise 50-year orbit. They called it Po-Tolo, the seed star, small, heavy, and made of a material so dense that all earthly beings could not lift it. For centuries, outsiders dismissed the tale as myth. How could an isolated African tribe know about an unseen companion to Sirius, what we now call Sirius B, a white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye and only discovered by Western astronomers in the mid-1800s, confirmed by telescope decades later? Yet when anthropologists Marcel Griol and Germaine Dieterlen lived among the Dogon in the 1930s, they documented astonishingly detailed star lore, the orbit of Sirius B, its elliptical path, even the claim that it rotated on its own axis. The Dogon also described another star, Emmia, which some took to mean a third companion, Sirius C, a body that scientists only recently began to speculate might exist. The Dogon say this knowledge came from beings called the Nomo, amphibious visitors from the star of Sirius who descended from the sky in a great spinning vessel, bringing language, agriculture, and the order of the cosmos. The Nomo, they said, were both celestial and aquatic, spirits of the water and the heavens. Their arrival is celebrated in rituals that align with the movement of Sirius A and B, marking cycles that the Dogon still track with remarkable accuracy. Skeptics argue that the Dogon's astronomical detail may have been influenced by contact with early explorers or missionaries who shared modern knowledge. But there are inconsistencies in that theory, details about the orbit and density of Sirius B that were not yet known even to Western science when the Dogon described them. Whether coincidence, contamination, or something far older, the precision remains difficult to dismiss entirely. To the Dogon, this isn't a mystery at all. The heavens are alive, and knowledge comes from a dialogue between earth and sky. Each generation learns not just to plant millet and tend the soil, but to remember their cosmic ancestry, to see the seeds of life as echoes of stars. And so, under the vast Sahara night, as Sirius burns bright in the winter sky, the story continues. A story of a tribe, a star, and perhaps a memory far older than civilization itself.